Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Motorola Moto G87 isn't detecting your Bluetooth headphones. First of all, try re-enabling your Bluetooth. So enable, disable it, and then re-enable it again. After that, try pairing your headphones if you didn't do that yet. Now make sure that your Bluetooth headphones are charged and are in the pairing mode. So make sure that the LED lights of your headphones are flashing rapidly. Then select your Bluetooth headphones right here, tap pair. And in case this doesn't connect them properly, you have to go to connected devices, then tap the gear icon next to your Bluetooth headphones, select forget device, and then try pairing Bluetooth device once again. If this doesn't help you, try charging the headphones fully, or at least for a little while. In the meantime, restart your smartphone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time and selecting restart. And next time you try to pair them, try avoiding Wi-Fi or any signal interference. Okay, after the smartphone is restarted, try pairing or connecting your Bluetooth device once again, and if you don't succeed this time, then go to System in Settings, go to Reset Options, and reset your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Confirm, and after that, re-enable your Bluetooth by going to Connected Devices, pair new device, and pair your Bluetooth headphones once again. And this time, everything should be working properly. Just make sure to put your Bluetooth headphones into the pairing mode once again. Okay, something is... Oh, okay, they just needed some time to restart. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.